So on this video, we're going to be exploring built-in functions. All right, so there's this one called input. And as you see, I did it up here also earlier. But let's try it again. So you can see how it looks. All you do is just type input, enter your all right, let's see what happens. Enter your name. Oh, it's not finished. That's what that means. At least I think. Taking a minute though. Maybe I got too much stuff up here. Just delete it out. Reload. Enter your number, 34, and it has down there 34, as you can see. All right. So that's one built-in function called input. And you can also do it this way. So basically, you put it in a variable. It's taking a minute to print all this. So let's erase all that. Do this again. Oh, okay, it fits it right there on the input thingy. Cool. So let me see. Is it actually saving? Yeah, come on. So then, cool. Uh, oh, okay. Well, Jason has saved in your name. So now I'm gonna try something else. Hmm, all right, I was gonna try uh something called Max. So Grant Max. I don't remember how the syntax goes for this. Not completely sure if that's how that works. Uh, that's supposed to, and looks like, uh, just realized what I did. I didn't pick no numbers. I picked names. Okay, that don't actually work. All right, let's try that now. So what is the max? Because they're gonna give me. Hmm, must be doing something wrong. Totally forgot the syntax of it. And that's why we have the internet. Hmm. So basically, I was close. All right, so where was I? Hmm, okay. We did it that way. So that was the max of the list. 57 is the largest in that list. What is the minimum? Well, yeah, here's type. These are just built-in functions. That's already in the language. List. And I kind of went over type and data types that video. But yeah, yeah. Well, uh, let's see. Anything else on the Isn't there a link? I think there's a link. Yeah, unmatched. Oh, that was supposed to be there. Let's see. Memphis not the, that might not be a building. Mm. All right, so we're going to the docs. It's LEN. I spelled it all the way out. There's four in all numbers. So what if I did like a string? And so what is the length of, all right, so it's 6 letters. Okay, that's correct. So there's like a lot of built-in functions, as you can see. Now, your input, print power. Hmm. hmm. As you can see, there's bunches. All right, so I'm not sure what this is gonna do. Because when I usually use range, it's like in a for loop or something like that. Yeah, I didn't remember print it out. Yeah. The float makes it a float. Alright, so if I did that, it's gonna give me a 0. Alright, well, that's all we're gonna go over for this time. Until next time.